Hey, Robert Riall here, and just got my new Blackwood Chanter from Scotland through JHiggins from McCallum, and I'm extremely excited to check it out. I've been waiting a little bit. Anticipation's half the fun. Heck yeah. Whee. Oh, looks like it may come with a reed. Ooh, what's in there? How freaking cool is that? Nicely packed. There's that. Let's check this out, baby. What do I have? A nice reed? Boy, that'd be cool if they sent a reed. Yeah, look. Nice platinum. It looks like a G1 platinum. Cool. Thank you, Higgins. Oh, yeah. Let's see here. Gotta be careful. Oh, and I think this is going to be a little extra special, too. If I'm not mistaken. Look at that. That is freaking cool. Okay, it's because I got the sole. The normal tube is kind of, yeah. That's why. Look at that. Can you see that? Oh, thank you, Willie McCallum. That is cool. He signed it. Oh my gosh. How cool. Well, there it is. Yes, the engraved sole to match all the engraving on the bagpipes. AB4Ds, I believe, the deluxe. Oh my gosh. Come on, wrapping. Here's a little, I think that went down here for the normal one. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's like wrapped very well. Thank you. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that engraving. Come on. There it is. Wow. Definitely. Wish the light was a little better, folks. You can definitely tell it's Blackwood. Oh, look at that. If you can read the inscription. Well, there it is, folks. My Blackwood Chanter. Willie McCallum signed it. McCallum bagpipes. JHiggins. Matt Willis bagpiper. Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah, you can see the wood there. That is just beautiful. Just to see it in real life is phenomenal. And a little Craig Laddie Scotch to go with it. Fantastic. Thank you, everybody.